Are you a registered nurse that's looking into making money online from the comfort of your home, but are wondering where to start? In today's video, I will go over the steps that you can take in order to make money online, and I will also give you the platforms that you can use to help you grow your income online. So without wasting any time, let's dive right in. Hello friends and family, my name is Karen. I've been a registered nurse in the US for about 6 years now, and on this channel, I'm helping nurses get through the NCLEX RN journey, and I also give tips on how to succeed in the United States as a registered nurse. So as I mentioned earlier, in today's video, I will be giving you some tips and tricks on how you can make money online while still continuing to do your full-time job. Maybe you're just burnt out from your bedside shifts, or maybe you want to explore something new. Or maybe you're just like me, you just want a side hustle to increase your income. Whatever your reason might be, let me tell you, you've got all the skills to make money online. And that is one of the best parts about being a nurse. There is so much you can do. So the number one way of making money online is remote telehealth nursing. It is one of the most in-demand nursing roles at this time, especially after COVID. This is where you're going to use your RN license to provide virtual care to patients. Now, some of the examples include you're going to be doing online triages, you're going to be assigned to follow up with patients like hypertension and diabetes and manage their care over the phone. Number 3, you're going to be reviewing patients' labs remotely. Number 4, you're also going to be doing intakes for the doctors before the patient's visit to a doctor. Now let me tell you where you can find this job or what platforms you can use to apply for a telehealth nurse. So number 1 is Teladoc Health. The second one is called Amwell, Amwell. The third is called MD Live. Number 4 is United Health Group. And number 5 is CVS Health, as they are offering many remote jobs for registered nurses at this time. So you can use all of these platforms in order for you to land a telehealth or a remote job where you can work from the comfort of your home. Now let me give you an insider tip. Many of these roles will require you to have a compact nursing license because they are not limited to one state. You're going to be getting patients from all over United States. So before applying for any of these jobs, I highly recommend that you get a compact nursing license for yourself, as that's going to save you a lot of time. Now the average pay for this role is anywhere from $30 to $50 depending on your state and the company that you're working with. Number 2 on our list is medical writing or freelancing. Now, if you're good at writing, this is a gold mine. As an RN, your medical knowledge is incredibly valuable for content creation. Now, once again, I'm going to tell you the types of work you can do as a medical writer or a freelancer. So number 1 would be you can write articles for healthcare websites and blog pages. Number 2, you can also create patient education material. Number 3, you can also review already posted blogs or content for accuracy, since you have a lot of experience as a registered nurse and you know the ins and outs of medical or nursing. So you can always go, and there are pages, there are websites that are going to pay you to review the blogs for accuracy. Number 4, you can also write for NCLEX prep publishers. Now once again, your question might be where you can start. So the number 1 place that you can start is called Upwork. It is an online platform and is very famous and can land you a gig in as soon as a day. On Upwork, you can log in and create a profile as a freelancer nurse writer. Now, of course, you have to make sure that your profile looks very good in order for you to land some clients. Number 2 on my list is called Fiverr.com. It can offer you health writing, consultation, or editing. Number 3 on my list is LinkedIn. Now on LinkedIn, you can reach out to NCLEX prep publishers and ask them and give them some proofs of how good you are at writing. And there's a very high chance, based on your experience and your writings, one of these publishers can hire you to write for them. Now, a typical article can pay between $100 to $500. Now, once again, that's going to depend on what kind of clients you're working with and how lengthy or how good your blog is. The better you write, the more you can always charge. And of course, when you're first starting off, you might not get paid that well, but with time, of course, you're going to start getting paid very, very well when people are going to start recognizing your work. Number 3 on my list is online content creation or ebooks. Now this one's for the educators. If you think you are a good educator, you can of course go with this one. Now if you are great at explaining things, you can package it all, put it in a course or an ebook, and put it up for sale. Now some of the examples of what you can teach would be NCLEX prep courses, how to become a travel nurse, guides on how to become a better ICU nurse, guides on how to become a better ER nurse. You can also write about diabetes education for patients. Whatever topic you choose, just put it in an ebook and put it up for sale. There are many third-party companies that are actually going to also help you to put an ebook together. The only thing that you have to be good at is educating and writing. If you're good at that, there are so many third-party companies that can take care of the rest for you. Now, some of the platforms that you can use would be Teachable, Udemy, Gumroad, and you can also sell your books on Etsy. Now, courses can sell from anywhere from $30 to $50 per topic, whereas ebooks can go for $10 to $50 per copy. So you just have to do it once and leave it out on the internet, and that way you can make anywhere from $500 to $5,000 passively being a registered nurse. Next on my list is start a YouTube channel. Now that's exactly what I did too. YouTube channels are hot right now. If you have good content, if people start supporting you, if you build your own community, there is a very high chance you can grow as a YouTuber. And there are many ways if you're a YouTuber you can earn money. You can earn money just by your videos, you can earn money by affiliates, you can earn money by sponsorships, and there are many other ways to earn money while being a YouTuber. All you have to do is make videos on good topics, such as a day in a life of an ICU nurse, a day in a life of an ER nurse. Just pick your niche and start making videos on that, and with time, people are going to start connecting with you, and that's how you're going to build your own community and grow your channel. Now, once again, the ways to earn is going to be YouTube AdSense, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and you can also work on selling your own products or services. Now, people have a misconception that they're only going to start making money if they have 100,000 subscribers. This is not right. Many small channels are making a lot of money. It just depends on how many people are watching you, and it also depends on how you are connecting with your audience. If you're making good content, you can start making money very, very soon. Number 5 on my list is coaching, counseling, and education. You can work one-on-one with people using your nursing knowledge to consult or educate people. This is especially good if you have a lot of experience in a specific specialty. You can become a nurse career coach, just build your own Instagram page, just post your services. You can write good resumes for new grad nurses. You can start giving them interview tips, and you can also help new grads with job searches. And of course, because you're giving them a service, you can always charge them for the services that you're providing. Next, you can also become a health coach. Now, a role of a health coach is to provide coaching regarding sleep management, diabetes education, blood pressure management, how to lose weight, how to decrease stress. There are so many things that you can work on if you are a health coach. Number 3 on my list is nursing school tutor. So most of the nursing schools are online in the United States. So you can always become a tutor for them, and you just have to work from home, sign their papers, and maybe once in a while you have to go actually meet the students. But most of the nursing tutors that I know work from home from a different state, and they get paid really good. Now your next question might be where you're going to find your clients. So as I mentioned earlier, you can use social media to advertise your services, advertise your business. You can use LinkedIn. You can just make a LinkedIn profile, advertise that so clients can eventually reach you if they need your services. You can also make a YouTube channel and advertise your service. That way, you can use influencers to advertise your services. There is so much you can do. It's all just a matter of you starting if you really want to do something. Now, health coaches or consultants charge about $50 to $200 an hour, and this is all passive income. So there you have it. real ways to make money online without ever having to leave your home. You as a nurse already have all the necessary skills. Now it's just about using them in a different perspective. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit the like button and share it with your friends or anybody you know who's a nurse. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you already haven't done so. And if you have any questions or any topics that you want me to make a video on, leave it down in the comment section below and I will try my best to get to those as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video and supporting this channel. I will see you in the next video.